Hi, how are we doing? This is the second installment for the Tech Tips for the Jones College of Business. My name is Carlos Coronel, and in a few minutes I'm going to show you a simple tip to make a teacher information widget for D2L. As you can see here in my screen, I have this D2L class, it's my development class, and I have this widget that I created. This widget displays the teacher contact information in the course homepage. Therefore, the student can click in here directly. It doesn't matter what messages you have displayed in the news items, it's always going to be there. So how do you create this teacher contact information widget? The first thing that you need to do is upload a picture. If you want to use a picture, upload your picture. To do that, you go to Manage Files. Within Manage Files, you click in Upload, and just drag and drop their picture in here. Remember the name. Drag and drop the picture file that you want to use. Remember the name. Click on Save, and you are done. Once the picture is already there, you go back to your course homepage. Click on Edit Course, and we're going to create the widget. So you go to Widgets, and the first step is very simple. Notice that we have two tabs in here, Custom Widgets and System Widgets. You can click in here in Create Widget to create a new widget. Here, the new widget window appears, and you just enter the name. For example, teacher contact information. And when you do that, the next step is you click in Content. So I'm going to type something in here. Professor contact information. And then you click in Content. And when you go to Content, notice that in here, this is a widget in D2L that is an editor. You use the editor to enter all the information that you need. You can insert your picture right here with this icon. Just find the picture from wherever is your course offering file where you upload it. It will list all the pictures. You just upload the picture that you want to use, etc. And enter text just like you normally enter. My name, for example, Carlos Coronel. Your email will be ccoronel@mtsu.edu. You enter your phone number, etc., etc. Now notice that every time that you hit enter, there is a space in between. You can control that by hitting Shift Enter, and that will enter a single space instead of a double space, and anything else. And here you can insert the picture. For example, you select picture, course offering files, and I'm just gonna select Carlos Coronel JPEG. Oh, excuse me. You select in here, click in the picture, and click Add. Enter an alternate text to be ADA compliant, decorative, and that's it. And here you can resize the picture, make it smaller. That's good enough. And other thing that you can do in here is you can boldface all of these, change the font colors, whatever. And normally I center this in the page, so everything will be centered. You see that? And then you just say save and close. Save and close. That's all what you have to do. Now I won't save it because I already have that. Well, I can save it right now. And you're going to see in the custom widget you have your professor contact information. This is the one that I am using currently, so this is the new one. You can go back here and edit it at any time. Then, how do you add this new widget to your home page in the course shell? You go to Home Pages. Here you're going to get a list of all the home pages that D2L have. Notice that one will say active. The one that is active is the current one associated with your class. It's probably that your default one is the default MTSU widget that you cannot change. In that case, you're going to make a copy. You just go right here and copy, and then you edit the copy. For example, I go right here, edit the copy. That's the current one for me. And if you scroll down, you're going to see widgets. And here is the right side where all the widgets appear in my home page in D2L, in my course home page. You click Add Widgets and look inside your custom widget. Click in Custom Widget. Look the widget that you want to just insert. Click Add. And it's going to be added at the end. But guess what? You can move it and insert it anywhere that you want. You see that? Now I already have it duplicated, so I won't do that. I just click X. Once you have it in there, click Save and Close, and you are done. Your new widget with your contact information will appear in the right side of your course homepage, so the students are a click away to be able to contact you at any time. Thank you very much for watching this short tech tips brought to you by the Jones College of Business.